everyone. Today we're gonna solve an aptitude question which falls under this topic letters and number coding. As you can see here, the question says that the fruit is coded as 58281. It is converted into a single digit numbers. It is important to note down that it is single digit numbers. That means we'll have to do much more than just matching it to the sequential numbers like this. Alright, let's decode this sentence first. Okay, we have fruit here. Write down the fruit first, then alright. Our first step would be comparing it to this sequence number with the letters and then jotting it down. So F we have 6, so we wrote that down, and then R we have 18. Yeah, R we have 18, U we have 21, I we have 9, and 50 we have 20. Okay, so we write all these corresponding numbers down. See, 6, 18, 21. Okay, we write all these numbers down. The next step is, this is where the different root is found. Okay, this is a different type of question than the previous question I solved. For this, the next step, you have to add up these two numbers and get a single digit number. Like 6, we don't have any other number, so it is 6. 18, you add 1 plus 8 and get 9. And then for 21, you add 2 plus 1 and get 3. For 9, we don't have any other digit beside it, so it is 9. And 2 plus 0, we have 2. Alright, and then our next step is you subtract one number from each of these numbers. Okay, you subtract one number from each of this number. So 6 we have 5, from 9 we have 8, from 3 we have 2, from 9 we have 8 again, and then from 2 we have 1. So we have 58281. Is it the same as mentioned in the question? Yes. Okay, we successfully decoded the question. Now we're gonna use the same pattern and the same stuff on our next letters. That is the next word. That is grapes. Okay. Okay, give me a second. Alright, let's do this now. Same thing. Match these numbers, match these letters. In this table, we have G here. Note down 7, check for R, it is 18, note down the corresponding number, check for A, it is 1, note down the corresponding number, check for P, it is 16, note down 16, check for letter E, it is 5, note down number 5, check for S, letter S, it is number 19, note it down. The next number, what did we do here? We added the two digits to make it a single digit. 7, we only have one digit, write it as it is. For 18, add 1 plus 8, we have 9. For 1, write down the same number. For 16, add 6 plus 7, we have 6 plus 1, we have 7. Write 5 as it is. And then 1 plus 9 is 10. And then since it is converting it to a single digit, even if it's 0 here, we're gonna take it as 1. Even if you add 1 plus 0, we're gonna get 1. So the main aim would be to get it in a digit, a single digit. Okay. Next, what was the next step? We subtracted all of these numbers minus 1. All of this number minus 1. Okay. Then what will we have? 7 minus 1, we have 6. 9 minus 1, we have 8. 1 minus 1, we have 0. 7 minus 1, we have 6. 5 minus 1, we have 4. And then 1 minus 1, we have 0. So our answer would be 680640. Basically, it has three steps. First step, write the corresponding numbers from the table. Second step, add each of these digits. Convert those double digits to single digits. Write the sum digit. And then the third step would be to minus 1 to subtract each digit with a 1 number. Then we have our answer here, 680640. Thank you for watching, and if you like the explanation, do like the video. Thank you.